Hey students, welcome to your Algebra 3 class. My name is Miss Villaseñor, and we can skip the pronunciation game. I'll have you call me Miss Villa. You may have taken enough math classes by now to have a prediction of what this will entail. Sit, write, get confused, leave, forget, and
The
repeat.
Hawley-Smoot Tariff Act, which anyone raised or lowered, raised...
Not this time. Because much like you, I don't like studying, I hate studying, but I love learning. Learning is beautiful. This year, you may remember a few formulas. You may add on to your basic math skills, but you will definitely learn real-life applications. The Pythagorean theorem, for instance, may teach us how to calculate a ridiculous scenario such as a cat is on top of a building, a perfectly straight string is tied between the building and a tree, the cat decides it wants to walk the rope into the tree. The tree and building are 8 feet apart, the height of the building is 15 feet, the tree 3.5 yards. How far is the rope between the tree and the building? But what is that really doing? It's giving you problem-solving skills. Not math problem skills, life-solving skills. First, you have to analyze the information you know and identify what you are missing. Then you have to look at how each piece of information affects another piece. Lastly, you have to find the best solution given the limited information. That is exactly the kind of skills you will use when you are searching for a job, getting into or out of a relationship, or buying a car. Yeah, that's right. Math matters. Not because you need to be an expert in the content of math, but because you will use applications from your experience in math for many things throughout life. In this class, we will stray away from the typical math setting. We will be active in our activities, diverse in our material, and consistent in the method of assessment. The way we will be active is that I will give you the opportunity to physically apply math-related topics as well as technology. Your phones will play an integral part in our class. You will use it for the majority of the activities. We will learn diverse material because you will lead your learning. Whatever careers you're considering, I will research the math methods you will need to know and apply them to what we are learning so you get relevant math skills. Lastly, your assessment will be based on your problem-solving skills, not your ability to give answers. Along with all the aspects of math you will be learning during class, you will also be using math in the sense of finance as part of your grade. This is how it'll work. You will be working in a real-world environment with real-world financial expectations. Starting today, you will be receiving a salary based on your participation of the class. Every day of showing up to class is $10 per hour of class. Every homework assignment turned in is $20. A test is worth $100. And then, after your grade on the assignment, I will determine the tax taken away. The higher your grade, the lower percentage of tax is taken from the, quote, government. You will also pay a daily rate of $5 for rent on your desk, $2 electricity for light, and $2 for any supplies, such as pencils, pens, paper, staples, that you may borrow due to lack of preparedness for the class. At any time during the semester, you may pay $20 in place of turning in an assignment, but you will only be allowed a maximum of 2 homework buyouts. At the end of the semester, whatever money you have left over will translate to extra credit points. So $20 left over equals 20 points of extra credit. I have high expectations of you as students as well as adults. This Algebra 3 class will challenge you, provoke you, but most of all prepare you for the following years in whatever path you choose. Let's leave the idea of just studying and focus on just learning.